Hey there gamers, in this video I want to talk to you about how you can get copper ore in Crimson Desert. So first things first, I'm just going to highlight here that I'm outside of Anvil Hill. Obviously we've got this lovely crest ridgeline around us here, and what you're going to do here is come out to Anvil Hill, and what you're going to be looking for is these sort of turquoise veins that are sticking out of the mountainside just here, and we're going to go ahead and run up to them. And it is worth noting that you are going to need a pickaxe to mine these, but what we're going to do is go ahead and press F2, go ahead and select our pickaxe here, and then all we're going to do is hold down control, and you're going to see that it's going to bring up the aiming function here. And as you can see, it's currently red. What we're looking for is the blue, which can be got on the sort of highlighted, more turquoisey areas of the vein. So here, for example, we can see all of this area is blue, but if I come over here where it's a bit grayer, it goes red. And then all we're going to do is just simply go ahead and left click, and he's then going to mine the ore. And then one of these will pop out, which is the copper ore, and then all we need to do is go ahead and loot them in order to pick it up. So that is how you get copper ore in Crimson Desert. There are plenty of these kinds of nodes along the hillside here, so there's lots for you to get. You will also find that they do sort of stick out further up the mountainside as well, so you can actually climb these cliffs and look for more. But I really hope that this tutorial helps. Please do drop a like and subscribe if it did. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching.